Hi, I'm Julie from julieblanner.com, and today I'm going to show you how to brown butter. Brown butter is amazing. It can really elevate your recipes. Anything that you bake, fall-inspired recipes like ravioli, it really enhances. To brown butter, we're first going to turn our range onto medium heat. And now we're going to put our butter in. And watch it melt. You'll notice you can hear the butter simmering and you'll see it foaming. Resist the temptation to stir, and if you feel like you need to give it movement, just give it a little shake. Continue to cook until it has a nutty brown aroma and is brown in color. We're getting really close. I'm just waiting for that nutty brown color and aroma. And it looks like it's ready to go. Now we're going to allow it to cool and toss it into baked goods or into a pasta sauce. You can find this recipe for brown butter at julieblanner.com.